Constructing the world's largest watercraft requires immense engineering and micro-precision.
Beneath the vast skies of Europe, in a factory the size of a small city, one of mankind's greatest engineering marvels comes to life. Here, steel and carbon fiber meet ingenuity, and dreams take the shape of wings spanning hundreds of feet. Europe's aerospace industry dates back over a century. From biplanes to supersonic jets, innovation has always been at its core.
Made as winten compatible. This life's not from carryover and a lot of gasoline on foot and the house the outfall not exceeding 600 tons.
Built with lightweight composites and advanced aerodynamics, it reduces fuel consumption while maximizing safety. Quality checks at each site ensure materials meet aerospace-grade standards for strength, weight, and durability. Before assembly, raw materials undergo rigorous preparation to exact specifications.
Each component is checked multiple times for defects. Even minor imperfections can impact performance.
Check alignment, marker 7.
Looks good from here. Secure the panel.
The wings are constructed separately, combining carbon fiber spars with aluminum skins for maximum strength and lightness.
Every weld and joint is scanned with ultrasonic and X-ray testing for quality assurance.
The aircraft's engines are installed last, aligned to exact tolerances.
Excess heat and emissions are managed using state-of-the-art filtration and exhaust systems.
Modern avionics are fitted and rigorously tested before integration.
Even the tiniest sensor is critical. Redundancies ensure maximum reliability.
Finally, the aircraft is coated with corrosion-resistant paint, providing protection and aesthetics.
Specialized eco-friendly paints reduce volatile organic compounds, meeting strict environmental standards.
With assembly complete, the aircraft undergoes taxiing tests and pre-flight inspections.
Certificates of airworthiness are issued only after exhaustive quality checks.
Each aircraft is prepared for delivery, transported carefully to runways or storage areas. Today, we celebrate the achievement of craft. Aluminum sheets are heat-treated to achieve optimal strength and malleability.
Carbon fibers are woven into reinforced panels, ensuring structural integrity. Titanium parts are precision machined to tolerances of microns. Composite panels are soaked and treated to ensure bonding and strength.
Every component is checked multiple times to prevent defects in flight-critical parts.
Fuselage sections are aligned precisely before riveting and assembly.
Automated rivets secure fuselage panels for structural integrity.
Wing spars are joined with aluminum skins to combine strength and lightness.
Composite wing panels are cured under controlled temperatures for bonding strength.
Welds are executed with precision and scanned for structural quality. All welds and joints undergo non-destructive testing to ensure integrity.
Engines are mounted carefully to precise tolerances to ensure aerodynamic efficiency.
Engine systems are tested for performance and emissions compliance.
Avionics modules are installed and integrated with flight systems. All systems are tested with live simulations to ensure operational safety. Fuselage surfaces are prepped for corrosion-resistant paint application. Robotic sprayers apply even, eco-friendly paint across the fuselage. Final paint details are inspected for aesthetics and quality compliance.
Landing gear is installed and tested for proper operation.
Fuel systems are carefully loaded and inspected for safety.
Cargo bays are tested for load handling and secure locking.
External inspections ensure structural and aesthetic compliance.
Avionics systems receive final calibration before flight certification.
Pre-flight taxi tests confirm operational readiness of aircraft systems.
Aircraft are stored safely and prepared for delivery.
Specialized trolleys transport aircraft to runways or delivery zones.
This aircraft represents the pinnacle of European engineering excellence.
From raw materials to a soaring giant, this aircraft connects continents and communities.
Future innovations promise even larger, more fuel-efficient, and environmentally responsible aircraft.
Today, we celebrate the achievement of crafting one of the largest flying machines in history.
A testament to engineering, teamwork, and vision.
Every team member plays a vital role in bringing the aircraft to life.
Fuel systems are loaded and double-checked for safety.
Cargo bays are tested for secure locking and load handling.
Engines are tested for full operational performance. Final cockpit systems are verified to ensure safety and functionality.
External inspections confirm structural integrity and quality standards.
Aircraft are prepared for delivery or maiden flight.
This factory represents decades of engineering expertise and industrial collaboration.
Tail sections are integrated with the fuselage to ensure aerodynamic stability.
Control surfaces are tested to ensure smooth operation and flight safety. Landing gear is cycled to verify proper function under load.
Fuel systems are inspected meticulously to ensure safety and reliability.
Cabin interiors are installed with precision to ensure passenger comfort and safety. Emergency systems are installed and tested to comply with safety regulations.
Avionics are verified to ensure all navigation, communication, and control systems function flawlessly.
Paint is polished to achieve a smooth, durable, and visually flawless finish.
Aircraft is carefully towed for pre-flight procedures and delivery preparations.
All systems undergo final verification to ensure operational readiness.
Every team member ensures the aircraft is ready for a safe departure.
The aircraft begins its maiden taxi, demonstrating engineering precision and scale. From raw materials to a flying giant, This aircraft embodies human ingenuity and teamwork.
Connecting continents and communities, it represents the pinnacle of European aerospace engineering.
Inside, precision and comfort come together to serve hundreds of passengers safely. A true testament to engineering, innovation, and the power of human collaboration.